Today we're at the ACC Make It Center at the Highland campus, specifically at the Make It Center, which is a hub for students to explore different careers and opportunities that they have here at the college.
Mark where you're going to cut.
Our students are diagnosing a patient. They receive some information, vitals, and just some basic information, and they're working in small groups to figure out what's wrong with the patient and in their future career as a nurse, what they would have to do to take care of the patient and help that patient get back to good health.
Use the clamp to pull the gallbladder away from the liver.
An experience like today means a lot to me because it's very fun to learn about trying to diagnose.
Super fun. Loved it. We're finding out this patient's condition, if it was jaundice or if it was an obstruction in their liver or gallbladder. It was their gallbladder that we figured out, and then we're going to be doing a surgery on him.
The experiences outside of the classroom are really what adds value to what they're learning. They get to apply those skills. They get to work with their classmates and do things that are not traditional, especially at a center like this where they have just resources for career exploration and to really explore the nursing profession.
There's blood over there.